Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim the pink treasure chest in Heartopia for week 2 of the Call of Wheels Fashion Wave event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up your mailbox and you'll receive a new message from Atara. This one guys. The message explains that Wolf Volcano is part of the underwater world, and as a welcome gift from the marine archaeology team, you'll receive a pink treasure chest. Simply claim the reward from the mailbox, and the treasure chest will be added to your inventory. Next, you're going to place the treasure chest anywhere outside your house. It's a good idea to place it somewhere easy for the other players to find, such as near your entrance or beside your gacha machine. Wait, let me place it. And here is the important part, guys. You cannot open your own ping treasure chest. Instead, you'll need to visit another player's house and interact with the treasure chest they have placed. Likewise, other players can visit your house and open the treasure chest that you have placed. When you successfully open another player's ping treasure chest, you'll receive reward such as Fashion Wave tokens and other event items. So don't forget to place your treasure chest and visit your neighbors every day to collect your rewards during the event. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim and use the pink treasure chest in Heartopia for week 2 of the Call of Wheels event. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Heartopia tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!